Today I got this Pyramid 12 volt. It's DC power, but the only way you can hook something up is right here, you know, to positive and negative. What I want to do is I want to put this in there, drill a hole somewhere here, in here, over here on the side, or wherever to try to get this. So let's take it apart and see where we can put this. All right, I've determined that I'm going to put it right here, straight up and down like this. And then we'll have that in there. But this way it'll go down in between right here and won't touch anything metal. So that's where we're gonna put it. Let's find out what size hole we're gonna need for this. All right, we're gonna change bits now. All right, now. Where's that going to? Let's see. That is not quite 7/8. We need to do 2 more steps and we'll be done. All right, I believe that one was it. Now I'm gonna go through this side, clean it up a little bit. All right, we're ready. Now we're gonna test fit it. Before we do all the wiring on it, let's make sure that it goes on here right. There we go. And now we got a 12 volt plug right there in the top. Okay, let's wire it up. We'll give her a good tightening right here. Okay, now both of those are good now. That looks good. Good job.
Thank you.
Touch it to the metal. You gotta hold it to that metal. There you go. Does it look good and full?
Yes, sir.
All right, looks good to me. All right. Now we've got them put together here and put together down here. So let's put it together. All right, let's plug her in. Let's see what she does. Let's see. It says normal right there. All right. Let me go get something to plug into it. Take the cap off of it. Oh, I'll be darned. It works. And now, if I got something to plug in, I can just plug it in. Way better that way. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it.